He's like, no. It's gonna be super fun. Hi guys, Lily Lou here, and I have Tinus here with me. His long, gorgeous mane. We're gonna be doing a whole little pampering day. We're gonna braid his super long mane. It's over 3 feet long. We're actually gonna put some little pink hair in there to make him match me. So, are you ready, boy? I think he is. All right, guys, so first, oh, he wants the treats in my pocket. First step what we're gonna do is gonna be giving him a good brush down. First, we're gonna spray him with some nice shine spray. It'll help the dirt clump up. And then we're gonna go in with our coarse brush, get all of that dirt off of there. And then we're gonna go with a softer brush to kind of just polish that up. So let's get to it, bud. Okay guys, so first step, and what the first thing you're gonna do with every horse is always gonna start from the left shoulder. From babies, this is what horses are always trained off of what they're most familiar with when expecting human touch. Now, Tinus is a good boy, so we don't have to go too crazy easing him in. He kind of just brush in the direction of the hair. You can already see that dirt just flying off of him. I'm gonna get to the other side. Even though we're not riding today, we're going to especially focus on like underneath the belly, where the girth would go if we were riding, and also all along the back. And then to get his legs in more sensitive areas, we're gonna go in with a little bit softer brush. This one's pretty coarse to get like all of those matted in mud places, but let's switch it up. See here, as is typical with Friesians, he has this hair here, which is called feathers. And so you're gonna wanna make sure that's nice and brushed out. His are actually pretty well taken care of and no matting or anything. We just wanna get the little shavings out. And you can even go in with just a regular people hairbrush. Normally for safety around an unfamiliar horse, you don't want to be straight back here, but Tinus is a very good boy, thankfully. There's feathers brushed out. I gave up on the other brush, as you can see. Beautiful baby. So, just like human hair, we're going to want to start from the bottom and work our way up. Now, Tinus is a Friesian, and a very fluffy Friesian is that. He has a lot of hair. Very pretty. Since it's so thick, I think we're going to work section by section. All right, guys, the tail is all done, so now we're going to work on picking out his hooves. Lots of dirt and stones and everything could get in there, so we're going to clean that out. So how we're going to do this is we let the horse know that we want their hoof by doing a little press so they shift their weight. Run your hand along down and see already he's picking up his hoof for us. Now look at that, they're super clean. So when you pick out a horse's hoof, you're gonna wanna avoid this living sort of fleshy area. This is called the frog, sort of like a spongy cushion for them as they walk along the ground. And then this is part of their whole sort of like toenail situation. A horse's hoof is actually kind of like a finger, just one finger with a giant nail around it. And there's like a bone within here that's honestly very similar to your own just fingertip. So you're just going to run along the side here. There's really not much dirt or shavings in here at all. So for the more sensitive areas, you're going to want to use this brush part. That's going to be along the frog. This little twig out of here. And that's done. Let's see if his back hooves have any more. He's already trying to pick it up for us. He's very good. This hoof has a little bit more in it. It just easily comes out with this nice metal part of the hoof peg. We'll clean along the horseshoe as well. And even if you don't get a little bit of the shavings out of here, honestly, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to irritate him, as long as it's not something hard like rocks. He's got like some pee shavings in his foot. It's like you could kind of think of a horse's stall as their giant litter box. I feel like that's quite accurate. They can actually, interestingly enough, they can hold their pee, but they can't really hold their poop. Like they can to an extent, but it's they can run while they're pooping, but like they can't run while they're peeing. So weird. And, like you would think maybe that's like a, oh, what if wolves are coming? I'll pee on them. No, they don't do that. That's not. They just be running. All right, buddy. So horses, just like dogs and people, they get little eye boogers. I get that out of there. And they actually have little hairs and little whiskers that the dirt kind of clings to. It's like he's always like relatively relaxed with grooming, so, and one of the things with that is having their lower lip be very flop. Right now he's kind of doing a thing with his mouth, but I don't have treats. Oh, look at that smile. Well, he's not smiling, he's mostly just... All right, guys, we got him all nice and cleaned up. His face, his feet, his tail is beautiful. So now, what we're going to do is brush out his mane that was already pretty detangled, and we're gonna braid something extra special into it today. Are you ready to be beautiful? Okay, guys, now we're gonna work on the mane. We're gonna unbraid this beautiful hair, brush it out, and then after we do all that, we're gonna braid his hair again with the special pink hair that I got. I have this nice step stool because he is a little tall, and I'm unfortunately a little short. I know, I'm as tall as you now, that's crazy. He just continuously thinks I have treats. Or do you love me? Is your love real? All right, guys, we got them all nice and detangled and beautiful. So on to the next step. I'm going to get his nice pretty hair stuff, and I also got some accessories for him too. So let's go get that. Okay, guys, so we got all the materials here. I got cute little bows for him too. I'm gonna make him into a little princess with beautiful, luxurious, long pink hair. What do you think about it? I think he likes it. It's like, okay, mother, whatever you say. Now, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so right now I'm prepping the hair. So his hair is quite long, and I don't want to take off of this little hair tie thing just yet. I kind of just want to slide it downwards so it still holds on to the hair, because I do not want to hold a whole mess of hair. So I do have to braid it in his hair. I feel like it's kind of good. I feel like I can work with that. All right, guys, we got the brush, we got Tinus' hair all ready, and I have these little bundles all laid out. So I've never actually done this before, so we're gonna see how it goes. I've braided Tinus' hair many a time, but this is gonna be the first time making them all pretty and special. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is start off with a braid. I'm gonna do a French braid. Maybe like 2 of them. Kind of just braid this hair into it and take bundles as I go along. Might have to utilize the cameraman here to hand me bundles. I feel like when people are in salons, they have like a whole like rig set up of like, it's like right there on like little hooks. We're just playing it like this today. So, gonna try our best. Let's see. Put this down. Oh my goodness, Tinus, I know. All right, guys, as you can see, we made him so beautiful. He is our little princess with beautiful braided hair. I think we match quite nicely. You know, I think I'm gonna have to like braid my hair, but you know, mine's a little more purple tone, but I think the bright neon really, it's like reminding me of like, I don't know, like a My Little Pony or like a Monster High doll or something. It's very fashionable now. Do you like it, Tinus? Like, mother, how could you do this? I am a boy. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me and seeing me braid Tinus' hair, giving him a whole little pampering spa day. Please go and check out my channel and see all the rest of my videos. Come chat with me, tell me what you think about it, and see you guys next time.